What if I told you that the hours you spend tossing and turning around might be silently sabotaging your well-being? Have you ever found yourself staring at the ceiling, wondering why falling asleep is so hard? If so, here's how to fix it. We're all chasing the same thing, a good night's sleep. That's why we're here to talk about the habits and practices that promote a restful sleep, known as sleep hygiene. Skipping your sleep hygiene might seem harmless, but the truth is, it could be the silent cause behind your tiredness, mood swings, and even impact your overall health. In this video, we're diving into the essential habits that can promote sleep hygiene and enhance your overall health, as these habits are the key to your well-rested nights and energetic days. Let's start with tip number 1. Sticking to a consistent sleep routine. Engage in activities that promote relaxation, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches. Consider setting a regular bedtime and wake-up time that works for your routine. Be sure to allow yourself enough time to get the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, even on weekends. Additionally, engaging in stimulating activities close to bedtime, such as scrolling through social media or watching YouTube videos, can keep our minds alert and active. This is because electronic devices emit blue light, which can suppress the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep cycle. When we expose ourselves to blue light at night, our brains receive a signal that it's still daytime. This can make it harder for us to relax and fall asleep. Ideally, you should avoid using electronic devices for at least 30 minutes to an hour before going to bed. When you stick to a consistent sleep routine, you help regulate your body's internal clock and promote a more restful sleep. And also, avoid taking long naps during the day, as they can disrupt your sleep at night. Number 2. Creating a comfortable sleeping environment. Without a favorable sleeping environment, your body doesn't get the support and comfort it needs to rest and recover. Instead, you may experience discomfort that can affect your overall health and well-being. You may wake up feeling tired, which can impact your productivity and mood. But don't worry, here's how to fix it. Before going to bed, consider minimizing noise and light, as your sleep environment should be quiet and dark to promote relaxation and reduce distractions. You can even use earplugs, a white noise machine, or blackout curtains to block out any unwanted noise or light. Make sure your mattress and pillows are comfortable and supportive, as the right one can make a huge difference in your sleep quality. Creating a comfortable sleep environment is essential for achieving a good night's sleep, which can boost your mental and physical health, help your body recover, and help you wake up feeling refreshed and energized to start your new day. Tip number 3. Incorporating regular exercise into your daily routine. Regular exercise is crucial for optimal sleep hygiene and has been shown to have numerous benefits for sleep. Engaging in physical activities during the day can help you fall asleep faster. Whether you prefer jogging, yoga, weightlifting, or any other forms of physical activity, finding a way to move your body every day can help you feel more energized and alert during the day and help reduce stress and anxiety, which can further contribute to better sleep quality at night. However, avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime, as it may leave you feeling too energized to fall asleep. Instead, try to schedule your workouts earlier in the day or go for more gentle forms of exercise like taking a walk in the evening. By making exercise a regular part of your daily routine, you can enjoy a better sleep and wake up to start your day right. Number 4. Avoid caffeine intake and heavy meals close to bedtime. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. It can also increase the frequency of waking up during the night, which can disrupt your sleep cycle. That's why it's important to be mindful of your caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evenings. Try to limit your consumption of coffee, tea, soda, and other caffeinated beverages to earlier in the day. On the other hand, large meals can cause discomfort and can disrupt your sleep. Instead, go for a light, balanced snack such as fruit or a handful of nuts if you're hungry at night. By being mindful of your caffeine intake and opting for light, balanced snacks instead of heavy meals, you can improve the quality and duration of your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Remember, good sleep hygiene is essential for your physical and mental health, so make it a priority in your daily routine. Remember, ignoring sleep hygiene can have serious consequences for your health and well-being. By making small changes to your sleep habits, you can improve the quality and quantity of your sleep and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. We hope you found these sleep hygiene tips helpful and that you're ready to start getting better sleep tonight. Come back and let us know in the comments how these tips work for you, and share any other sleep hygiene tips that you are currently practicing. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great night. Always stay fit with Almond Fitness.